And do not get it confused. I'm not a scholar or a preacher. I'm just a regular dude who makes mistakes too. But we are reflections true.
A genotype is a term used to describe our genetic makeup. All of our chromosomes, all of our genes, where they are, where they're located on the chromosome, which we inherit from our mother and father. The phenotype is observable characteristics which are the outcomes of genes. For example, our height, the color of our eyes, natural hair color. These result from our genes and are known as our phenotype. The environment can also impact our phenotype. For example, the type of environment we grow up in, the amount of stress we experience, diet, and exposure to toxins can interact with our genes to impact genetic expression. Epigenetics is the study of these interactions and the factors that influence them. Let's examine how this happens. The epigenome. You are probably familiar with DNA as the building blocks of our body. However, DNA is just part of the story. DNA is wrapped around a protein called the histone. Both DNA and the histone are covered by chemical tags known as the epigenome. The epigenome shapes the physical structure of the genome by wrapping tightly around inactive genes, making them unreadable. It also relaxes active genes, making them easily accessible. In other words, the epigenome influences which genes are expressed and which are not. It has been likened to a switch that can turn genes on or off. Epigenetic tags react to signals from the outside world. Exposure to toxins, stress, or diet can impact the epigenome. For example, the nutrients we extract from food enter metabolic pathways where they are manipulated, modified, and molded into molecules that influence the epigenome. To find out more, consider downloading Genetics, Genetic Variation and Gene-Environment Interactions for some examples of nutrients that affect our epigenome and the foods they come from.